another video. Today's video, we're gonna have some fun on the channel.
Yeah, you got that right.
I hope it's gonna be worth our time and our fun. But we're in my car right now. We just turned it on, whatever. You saw that in the intro, but let me turn this around. Okay, oh, there you go. I hope you guys can see that. It's 100 degrees outside. And my engine right now, since the car is still cold, I'm still at like about 120 degrees Fahrenheit in my engine. But the key to today's video is, could we cook an egg on the hood of my car? So I'm gonna drive my car around for like 15 minutes or so, probably less than that. I'm gonna get usually my car, daily driving it gets to about like 210, 220 degrees Fahrenheit, plus the 100 degrees that it is outside. After the temperature outside being about 100 degrees, I'm hoping that gives us enough temperature to cook an egg on the hood. Our only problem that we might face is trying to get the egg to stay on the car, like not like slip or slide off. But anyways, my car's been idling down for a little bit. I'm gonna drive a little bit. I'll take you guys for a pull or two. Just drive. Chris wants to talk about anything, we'll talk. But
kind of hungry.
I'm hungry. All right. So maybe we'll drive somewhere to get food or something, because
I was hoping to eat the egg.
Oh, okay, that's even better. He'll eat the egg after we cook it. How about that? All right. So I'm just gonna crack the windows a little bit. I'm gonna start to drive and just enjoy a couple of driving clips. I'm gonna stop after a couple of drives, and then I'll do a good amount of driving off camera. I'll get back to you guys when I get back to my house. I'll show you guys the engine temp, and then we'll go Gordon Ramsay. We'll start cooking over here. But anyways, let's get some driving going on. Look at my temperature.
You're heating up like a little baby. See that? Yeah.
Alright, let's see if I get a nice pull here. While we're waiting at this red light, what do you think the deal's gonna be? You think we'll cook an egg? You think we won't cook an egg? Or you think the egg just not gonna be able to stay on the hood?
I think the hardest part, my opinion, is gonna have the egg stay in one spot, because like the car is already pointing down, and then the hood is not flat whatsoever. So
We'll
I think the hardest thing is gonna be having the egg stay on the hood.
Alright, what do we got here? We're talking in the house, but it's just a little bit cooler in here. Got the butter, so the egg doesn't stick to the hood, you know, instead of using pan spray. Pro tip in this episode, we're chefs. Pro tip, we got the butter, make a nice little topping, I guess, on the hood, so that this egg won't stick to the hood after it starts to cook. I got my knife for the butter, and I got my spatula to move the egg around. Got my fork, so when we're done cooking it, we can eat it. And then I got like a couple like little things, like some nurse tools, whatever you want to call them. I got nurse tools, I like that. Not a nurse tool, we'll call them like thermometers. This one's probably not gonna work, this one might work. I'm gonna put it up to the hood and see if it can read the temperature. I can't see it working, but gotta have a little bit of fun here. And I got my platform, so we can just pick it up and bring it outside. Let's see what happens. So what we're thinking is, I'm gonna max out the front, make it high. I'm gonna slam the rear. Hopefully that will make my hood go up a little bit. Let's see what we got. Keep going. That's all you got? That ain't bad. Guys, and just before we get started with this, I'm putting a level on my car. I'm cooking eggs on a car. Don't roast me about scratching my hood, because I know it's gonna get scratched. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna get scratched. It might get scratched, but the car in the future is getting wrapped soon, so you're not gonna see this at all. So let's get right back to it. Oh damn. Oh yeah, we're still pretty on level, eh? Yeah, we gotta go up like right there.
Sad day. We brought up some foil tape from the basement of Goodies. We're gonna try and make like a wall so the egg doesn't run off the hood.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Mr. Ramsey?
We're gonna be scrambling an egg because cooking a scrambled egg is a little bit easier than cooking one sunny side up. So we'll go like this. I left all my utensils outside.
Oh, here, nurse tools.
Take a quick fork. Squirt it. And just dump that in. I got rid of my fork already. I'm gonna need that fork back. Scramble this egg, you know? Look at that.
Yeah, I think a scrambled egg is gonna be easier to cook than sunny side up, I believe.
Yeah. We're no longer a car channel, we are a cooking channel.
Yep.
Look at that, it's all on the wrist.
Ooh. Alright, let's go cook this egg.
Let's go cook this up, eh? Alright, we're all scrambled. The hardest part is, this is gonna wanna drip off the car like crazy. So let's hope we can not make a drip. Alright, so we kinda made something. Hopefully the egg will just sit here. Ow, that's hot. Hopefully it'll just sit here. I don't know, kinda scared. Are you ready for this? First things first, the butter.
Oh yeah, the butter. Forgot about that. Try not to scratch your hood. The moment when it's working. Oh God.
Alright, here we go. It's gonna want to slide off.
It is gonna want to slide off. Hold on. Alright, you ready? Alright, let's see what we got here. Hold on. Okay.
Like that?
Yep. Oh no! No! Oh.
Oh, okay, it's coming out. Look.
Alright guys, egg number 2. Egg number 1 is on the floor. And we kind of fixed it.
I assume we're gonna cook it right here.
Alright, let's see what we got here. You want to put more butter there, or you think we're alright? Oh, yo, I'm gonna bring that butter inside. Lily puts 1 spoon of butter right. Alright, let's see what we got here.
If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be very upset.
Okay. It's kind of work. Yeah, just let it sit for now. Just see.
I want to spread it out.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Get back in there.
Get more tape.
That one cooked nice, but this one here is just starting to drip out. You gotta go right up over here with the tape.
Come on, Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, look at that. We're cooking a little bit. Look at that. It's textured.
Any words?
Look. We got burnt butter over here.
Alright, we got burnt butter. Alright.
I got no words. It just keeps dripping. Sad day, guys. Yeah, it's cooking here though. I wonder if it would have cooked if it wasn't running so much.
Probably, because I don't know. I'm not really a chef, but my guess would be yes if we had a flat surface here. Sad day.
Look at it down here though. Oh wait, we gotta kind of stay still now. Now I just wait. Update. We kind of got the egg to stay in one place. We just gotta see if it cooks, because this over here, we were just trying to push the egg up into place. After a while, we got it to stay still, but I'm gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes and I'm gonna try to to flip it or something. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's gonna work though. We'll see what happens. Oh no, it's not even that solid. It has some kind of texture to it, but I don't know.
I'm giving up hope. I don't know.
Just end the video and say no, guys. It's like a very like booger snot looking thing.
It looks like it's still not hot enough, right?
Yeah. And we tried taking it with the
Thermometer.
thermometers, but it was too hot for the thermometers. But I don't know. At least it's staying in one place now. But I don't think it's gonna work, guys. I'll let it sit for a couple more minutes while I get out the stuff to clean my car. And after I get it all out, set up, if it's still not cooked, we'll give it a thumbs down. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. The egg is starting to get a little hard, but like, it's not really much, so can you cook an egg on an N54 hood? No, but you sure could make a hell of a mess. So,
oh, watch my car.
right on the Genesis. That's it, guys. Goodbye to that egg. But anyways, that was a little bit of a fun video for you guys and us to make. I wish it would have turned out better. I wish I could have ate the egg, but that's not gonna happen. But anyway guys, if you like this video, drop a thumbs up. We had a good time making it. And that's all I gotta say. I wish it worked. But anyways, that's it for the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And now I'm gonna wash my car.